Get excited about the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.